Hey, Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP800-171 compliance nugget for you. Have you been wondering what in the world this CUI or CUI stuff is? First of all, don't call it CUI. That's what a baby says. Don't do it. You're a hardcore defense contractor. It's CUI, baby. So what is it? Controlled Unclassified Information is essentially defense-related information that is non-public, shouldn't be out in the public. Because CUI is, generally speaking, defense or aerospace in nature, it is considered to be a type of information which must be protected against access from unauthorized users or access. As such, this information requires specific handling and must be protected in specific ways in accordance with the law. Basically, it's defense or aerospace information that shouldn't just be seen by anyone, so it gets special protection requirements. Need more help? Check out cmmccompliancesecrets.com. It never costs anything to see how we can help.